DeBenedetti, and I made this video to help you learn to play Jingle Bells from the sheet music from my website, gmajormusictheory.org. You will need to go to Free Piano Music and then First Pieces to find this. It's a short 2-line version, which you probably won't find elsewhere. So I suggest you go to my website to download it. Now, before we get started, I want to say that I assume that you've already seen the video for hot cross buns. There's a lot of notation in there that will be assumed that you know in this video. What you need to know beyond that is that you have 2 more fingers, obviously, and we'll be using all 5 of the right hand for this piece. So where you were using 1, 2, and 3, now we'll be using 4, your ring finger, and 5, your pinky as well. So now we need to know where to put our hands on the piano. Actually, it will be the same as hot cross buns, but let's go over and look at the keyboard nonetheless. Now here's our keyboard again. You'll remember that beside the 2 black keys on the left is a C, and it's played with the thumb, finger number 1. In between the 2 black keys is a D, and on the right is an E, played by finger number 2, the pointer finger, and 3, middle finger. And in addition, for this piece, you'll need finger 4, your ring finger, on an F, and finger 5 on a G. So it'll be these 5 notes: C, D, E, F, and G. So now we should be ready for seeing what the notes look like on the staff. Now a lot of things look familiar here. You have the 5-line staffs. There's an E there, quarter note E, a half note E, a whole note E. The 3 as the finger number is familiar. Here's a C with a finger 1, that should be familiar. But the new things are, other than the just sequence of notes, the new things are this 5th finger, G, which is on the 2nd line up from the bottom, and the 4th finger, F, on the bottom space. Speaking of letter names, it may be tempting to put in the letter names above the notes or below the notes just to help you out. We really discourage you from doing that. It will, in the end, interfere with your reading. You really need to start looking at the position of the notes on the staff to tell you what note to play. And the same is true with the finger numbers. Now, we provide you here with a lot of finger numbers, but don't go in putting any more with your pencil, because that's maybe even worse, because relying on the finger number is going to really mess you up when your finger at some point in your piano career will have to be playing some other note. Other than that, how you're going to practice will be the same as for the previous piece, hot cross buns. That is, first get the sequence of notes down. Try to be in rhythm. Next, you will want to play the piece while naming the letter names. For instance, like this. E, 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 G, C, D, E, F, 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 E, 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 G, G, F, D, C. Next, you'll practice counting to 4 as you play. And it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As before, you want your counting to be as steady as possible. You don't want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another temptation with this piece, and that is to play the third measure so it sounds like this. Bum, 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 ba, bum. After all, that's what we sing. Jingle all the way. But that's not what's written on the page. What's written on the page is bum, 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 bum. All the quarter notes are the same duration, and although we may want to sing it a certain way and we want to play it the way we sing it, the idea here is to play it the way it's written on the page. So, you'll need to play this piece in 4 ways. First, just get the sequence of notes down and try to stay in rhythm. Secondly, play it while saying the letter names. And third, play the piece while counting to 4. And finally, you might want to sing the words as you play, or what might be fun is for you to play an octave or 2 higher than written. An octave is the distance from one C to the next, or one E to the next, since we'll be starting on an E. And the higher means the keys to the right. So 2 octaves higher would sound like this. Jingle all the way, oh what fun it is to ride a one-horse open